The RENPHO Smart Tape Measure is a Bluetooth-enabled body measurement tool designed for weight loss, muscle gain, and fitness tracking. With its locking and retractable design, it provides accurate measurements for various body parts. Syncing seamlessly with the RENPHO app, users can monitor progress towards their fitness goals conveniently. Ideal for anyone looking to track their body's transformation, this tape measure offers precision and ease of use in a compact package. The push-up board is a comprehensive home gym solution that offers a versatile and effective full-body workout. With its portable design, it allows users to perform a wide range of exercises for strength, flexibility, and endurance training. The included Pilates bar and resistance bands provide additional options for targeting different muscle groups, while the roller wheel offers intense core strengthening exercises. This set also includes 20 fitness accessories, ensuring a diverse and challenging workout experience. Ideal for individuals looking to establish or enhance their home workout routine, the push-up board offers convenience without compromising on effectiveness. Whether you're aiming to tone muscles, improve cardiovascular health, or increase flexibility, this all-in-one exercise equipment provides the tools necessary for achieving your fitness goals from the comfort of home. The Gear roller wheel is a compact yet effective tool for strengthening the abdominal and core muscles. Ideal for home gyms, it facilitates a wide range of exercises to enhance core stability and build strength. With its durable construction and comfortable grip handles, it ensures stability and control during workouts. The included knee pad provides added support and protection for the knees, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. Whether you're aiming to tone your midsection or improve overall core strength, this roller wheel is a versatile and essential addition to any fitness routine.
The Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is a compact exercise machine ideal for home workouts. Its small size makes it perfect for tight spaces, while its digital monitor tracks progress and adjustable resistance levels cater to all fitness levels. Mimicking stair climbing, it provides a low-impact cardio option for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. With its affordability and space-saving design, it's a convenient choice for staying active at home.
The Muscle Massage Gun is a powerful handheld device designed for athletes and anyone seeking relief from muscle tension. Featuring electric deep tissue massage technology, it provides effective pain relief and relaxation. With 30 speed levels and 9 interchangeable massage heads, users can customize their massage experience to target specific areas and adjust intensity levels. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while its portable nature allows for use at home, the gym, or on the go. Whether you're looking to recover from intense workouts or alleviate everyday muscle discomfort, this massage gun offers versatility and convenience for your wellness needs. The RENPHO Smart Scale is a sophisticated digital bathroom scale that goes beyond basic weight measurement. With Bluetooth connectivity and a smartphone app, it provides comprehensive body composition analysis, including BMI, body fat percentage, and muscle mass. Its sleek black design complements any bathroom decor, while its durable construction ensures longevity. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, it caters to a wide range of users. The scale's integration with the smartphone app allows for seamless data synchronization and supports multiple user profiles, making it ideal for households. Overall, the RENPHO Smart Scale is a convenient and precise tool for tracking health and fitness goals. The WeluvFit Pilates Bar Kit redefines home workouts with its versatile design and quality construction. Featuring adjustable resistance bands, it offers a personalized fitness experience, targeting every muscle group for effective full-body workouts. The non-slip foot strap enhances stability and safety, allowing users to perform exercises with confidence and precision. Engineered with an anti-break construction, this Pilates bar ensures durability and longevity, withstanding the rigors of regular use. Its compact 3-section design facilitates easy storage and portability, making it ideal for home gyms or on-the-go fitness routines. Whether you're practicing Pilates, incorporating ballet-inspired moves, performing squats, or engaging in yoga sessions, this kit adapts to various exercises seamlessly. Overall, the WeluvFit Pilates Bar Kit is a reliable and versatile fitness solution that empowers users to achieve their health and wellness goals from the comfort of their own space.